Employers in our area have been having a hard time finding employees. They want certain skill sets that we've been able to partner with Florence Darlington Tech to offer.
The manufacturing skills pre-employment class is a one-week course. Students emerge with 3 credentials that are very valuable for manufacturing employers. They end up with a forklift certification, OSHA 10 for general industry, and Six Sigma Yellow Belt. It's now at the point where we're running it every month. And so vocational rehab and our employers know they can count on us to have a pipeline of people coming through this class.
The businesses are benefiting because they're getting candidates for their positions that are skilled and the exact skills that they need, and the client is the one that wins in the long run.